just some of the key takeaways, hazard risk assessment should take into account the following. We got to evaluate the condition of the equipment. And I've talked a good bit about that. We got to talk about the maintenance history. If you got equipment that hasn't been maintained in more than 5 years, you probably need to escalate that, right? Because you're kind of getting in, you shouldn't say kind of getting in, you're getting into that, is it going to operate? Is it not going to operate danger zone? You definitely want to review your labels. You get to routinely walk plants, and sometimes they make no sense, right? The arc flash level is higher in one location and lower in another when I would expect them to be the same. Those types of things, and just to kind of review those. And then once again, every 5 years, reviewing your system. And then anytime you make any changes, right? If you add a system line, we want to make sure that you get a study done. Any major changes, the utility puts a new, larger transformer outside your building, that's going to necessitate a review of your arc flash study, because once again, if they put a lower impedance transformer outside your facility, your arc flash study needs to be adapted to that. And then once again, all those changes that I mentioned at the beginning of the presentation in the 1584, once again, in particular, the enclosure sizes is one I think is going to impact a lot of people.